Would you like to learn how to make one of these adorable straw toppers? Then come along with us as I show you step by step how to create one. If you're brand new here, welcome in guys. We are 3rd Degree Laser. Now first step, you're going to buy that acrylic blank with the matching decal and you're going to identify which side is the front and the back. Typically you can just look at it like this and identify the sides. However, if not, you can grab a light source like this and you'll see that you can actually see through the paper, which will help you determine which side is the front and the back. Now we're going to grab what's called a pin pen. So instead of a pen at the end here, it's got a little needle and that'll help us remove the brown paper. And we're going to take that off the back side, guys. We're going to add some beautiful blue glitter and blue mica powder to make this thing come to life. And we're using UV resin from our friends over at Resin Rockers. All right, let's add the resin, the glitter, and go ahead and give it a stir. Here's what it's looking like. I like it, but I don't love it. So let's add some of our blue mica from our website. Just a little bit goes a very long way, guys. And what I do remind you is that it takes a little bit of time to melt in. So give it a good, generous time to stir. And look at how good it looks. Much better. All right, we're going to dump that right onto our acrylic blank in the middle and use our little silicone stir stick to spread it out. Now, once you've got it all spread out, we can go ahead and put all of it, the cup, the stick, and the blank, under our UV light here for 2 minutes, guys. Now, let's go ahead and clean out that cup so I can show you how you can use it again and again. You're just going to give it a little bit of a squeeze, boop, and it'll pop right out. Just pull it out with your hand, and now you've got a clean cup to use again and again, and you can do the same with your silicone stir stick as well. Now, people ask me about our little brush rests all the time. If you want one of these, they are in our accessories section. All right, let's take the brown paper off the front and see what that color turned out like. Ooh, she is beautiful. All right, we're gonna add that pre-printed decal right to the front using some transfer tape. Go ahead and line it up, put it on, boom, look at how cute. All right, we're gonna seal that decal in with a layer of UV resin just to make sure it has good coverage, a nice glossy coat, and then back under that UV lamp for 2 minutes. Look at the shine, you guys. This is so stinking cute. Now you can make this into so many different things, whether it be a badge reel, a hair tie, but today we're gonna make it into that straw topper. Now here is that straw topper attachment, guys. You just pull the brown paper off both sides, and I'm gonna be using UV resin to adhere it today, just a little dollop on it, and using my UV flashlight to adhere it as well. But you can use E6000, super glue, whatever kind of adhesive you like. Okay, so here is your tumbler, here is your straw, here is your little acrylic blank, and you just put it onto the straw. Now you can have it hang over the edge like this, or if you want, you can spin it around and push it down a little farther and have it kind of like more like this. So totally up to how you want to display it. And let me show you a couple other ones I've made in the past. Here is the balloon one. Here's a little circle made into Jack. Here is the best mom ever. There is the fries before guys. All right, and there is our little wiener dog one we made for 4th of July. I think these are so cute to just be able to change out if you are somebody who is maybe into Disney. We have lots of like Disney shapes. Like I think this one would be really cute. The little mouse waffle on there would be really cute, or just a little way to switch it up and make your cup a little bit more fun. I think it's really fun too if you're like a tumbler maker and then like you offer it like as like an add-on. Maybe it's like a $5 add-on or something simple like that. So great idea for our little straw toppers. And that's it, guys. Here's one last look at that finished project. Thanks for joining us, and check us out at thirddegreelaser.com. Bye, guys.